burying?
I don't know, baby.
No, I never seen a dog do it.
It's a compassion spirit in him. He's just... It's just an amazing thing. They were friends, and he's trying to help bury his friend.
You scoop it and I'll put it in the hole.
And Titus is helping. Oh my goodness.
I'm helping you. I can't believe Titus called him ButterCup and put his shit in there.
He's helping bury his friend.
Don't step in there.
He's trying to cover her up, baby. Do you see him take his nose and push the dirt?
Yeah.
He's covering her up. We'll go down to the river tonight and get some big rocks.
Tonight or today?
Well, later this evening, okay? Oh, what a good boy. Come on, Titus. Come on, bud. You did your work. You're a good boy. You're a good boy.
She always needs a little bit of grass, don't she?
You can put a little grass with it.
One more piece of grass.
Kirsten, there's a big rock on the front porch right on the corner. Would you go get it?
Hold on, let me get one more piece of that as well. Okay. Yeah. You're gorgeous.
Katie Lou came near, and he bared his teeth at her. No, Titus.